Hello, my name is Zack, and I like to backpack around the world. Here I am watching the sunset again here on the Mediterranean in Tel Aviv, Israel. About to go enjoy some of the nightlife here in Tel Aviv, Israel. Well, get a beer or two. Okay, I think I'm about to get a beer at this bar right here. Jessica Restro Bar. Hello. Just want a beer?
Yes, okay. No problem. Would you like to sit outside or inside?
Inside.
Inside?
Yes. Good.
In the bar or here?
The bar is good. Thank you. Thank you. Cheers from Tel Aviv, Israel.
No.
This is actually a Danish beer, but it's happy hour. And the only Israeli beers they have is bottled, and that isn't for the happy hour, so this will do for now. Tastes okay. Maybe it is an Israeli beer. Or maybe it's just different in Israel. Okay, let's finish this beer and go see what else I can discover in the nightlife here in Tel Aviv, Israel. I guess this is gonna be a Tel Aviv Barhop instead of me showing you the nightlife here, or maybe both, I don't know. Mike's Place. Let's try this place out here in Tel Aviv, Israel. Smells good in here. Smells good in here.
That is good timing with Mike's. So I'm assuming it's in the same order as the ticket. Yeah.
Thank you. Now this is an Israeli beer. Cheers from Tel Aviv, Israel. pretty good damn beer. Very enjoyable. Isarel has a beer, a brewery. They aren't that conservative here. You can drink in Isarel when you turn 18. That's all you need to know. All right, let's finish off this beer. There's a buy one get one free beer, so why not? This is what a 50 shekel looks like. So cheers on the second Israeli beer. That's a really good beer, holy shit. Goes down really smooth. It's happy hour here and it's only $29 for 2 beers here at Mike's Place. So pretty good deal. So cheers to that. I'm not even gonna lie, I am drunk after 3 beers. Yeah, call me a lightweight, I don't care. McDonald's seems open and I feel drunk, hungry, so thank you. I am so drunk right now, holy shit. Okay. 2 hamburgers and a Coke cost me 20 shekels, which is about, I would assume, like 14, 15, no, 20 shekels is like $4 or $5. $4 or $5 US dollars. That looks pretty good. And a Coke. Even Isarel has good McDonald's. Well, I'm heading back to my hostel. It turned into a bar hop, I guess. 2 bars. Not really a bar hop, but whatever. I had 3 beers. But now I'm tired, so I think I'm gonna call it a night. Thank you.
Tu vas en descendre? Non?
Et là jusqu'à 11h.
Actually, you know what? Let's head to the rooftop bar of my hostel and enjoy one last beer before I call it a night and call it the end of this video. Because tomorrow I head to Jerusalem, so I'm checking out of this hostel tomorrow, and then that's it for this hostel. I guess the bar is somewhere up here. Here it is. Thank you. Yeah.
No, the guy's also looking where is the sound coming from. He was also wondering where the sound is coming from.
I want to go out tomorrow.
Huh?
I don't want to go out.
You want to go out?
Well, I'm going to call it a night. Good night from Tel Aviv, Israel. Tomorrow I will be in Jerusalem. Shalom, whatever that means. This is my room. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. My name is Zack, and I do like to backpack around the world.